Downsizing your North Park home but scared your property taxes will double? If you're 55 or older, they don't have to. If you've owned your North Park home for years, you've built real equity. But a lot of homeowners feel stuck. They're afraid that selling and buying again means their property tax bill jumps by thousands. Here's the part most people miss. California Proposition 19 lets homeowners 55 and older carry their current property tax base to a new home anywhere in the state. You can use it up to 3 times. You can even buy a more expensive home and still save. That one rule changes the math on downsizing. The stairs, the big yard, the house that no longer fits, none of it has to trap you anymore. You can move closer to family into something simpler and keep the low taxes you've built up for decades. If you want to see how the numbers work for your home, call us at the number below and ask for your free home valuation. No pressure, no obligation, just real numbers from your North Park realtors and neighbors. We look forward to speaking with you.